Hello everyone, I'm changing my PCV valve today. I haven't found any video about it, so I just wanted to help someone who wants to see actually where the PCV valve is on Land Cruiser 100 series. This is a 2003, and I think previous models have some kind of grommet that you can actually pull out, but this one is a screw in, and it also applies to Lx470. So let me just show you. Like, I take out the cover and it's just right there. I only took out one of the ignition coil wire and it's easily reachable here, and I took it out, the old one, and just screw back in the new one. I'm gonna screw more. And then this is the hose that was in here, like this. I saw there was a crack, so I put a special tape on one side to make it, to keep it safe for some time until I get a hose. So it supposedly goes in here, and this hose goes on this side, and they have these clamps that go on them and secures them. That's basically it. This is Land Cruiser 100, and this is the PCV valve location on the right hand side next to the oil, where you fill the oil over here. Take care, guys.